This video is brought to you by West Coast Automotive Parts, providing quality automotive collision and replacement parts for your ride. Proudly serving the Los Angeles area. Check us out at www.westcoastautomotiveparts.com and follow us on Instagram at West Coast Automotive Parts.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are working on a 2007 Honda Civic LX sedan. We're going to be changing the front driver's side turn signal, so the bulb blue, and we're gonna change it now. Just wanted to show you guys, normally when your front turn signal is blown, you're gonna experience a hyper blink like this. Okay, so it's hyper blinking. I want to go outside and show you how it looks like. So inside here, when you're driving, you're going to experience a hyper blink when your front turn signal is blown, and it looks like this. And from the outside, it looks like this. So if your front turn signal is blown, your rear turn signal will also hyper blink as well. So I wanted to show you the hyper blink in the back, front driver's side and the rear driver's side. Okay, so as you can see, if you look closely right there inside the corner, right there, there's an LED replacement bulb that I put in there just temporarily. It's not like a dual filament halogen one that is normally in the stock front turn signal. I just placed it there because I didn't want to have any issues as far as the bulb not signaling in the front, so I just placed that temporarily. I wanted to film this video to show you guys when I replace it back with the dual filament 1157 halogen bulb for the front turn signal. It doesn't stay on when the corner lights are on. Here's the hyper blink with the LED bulb on the front turn signal, and then when I get to replacing it with the 1157 stock halogen one. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so first thing you're going to do, since it's the front driver's side turn signal, we're going to turn the wheel to the right side so that we can get room under the wheel well, because that's where you're going to access the front turn signal driver's side bulb. You're going to get access through there, and then you're going to be able to replace it. So we're going to start the car. And as you can see, we're able to start the vehicle. I don't know if you had a chance to check out our starter replacement video. We'll show you how to replace the starter. You can check out the link in the description. What we're gonna do now is we're just gonna turn the wheel. There you go. And now we're gonna have room on the front driver's side wheel well to get access to the front turn signal. So we'll show you right now. All right, so as you can see, front wheel is turned to the right now, and now we have room to get access to the wheel well cover here. I'm just gonna kind of peel it back like that. I'm trying to film it, show it to the side. It's up here. Second. Let's have the light on so I can show you guys, because it's kind of dark in here. There you go. So if you go the corner here of the fender, kind of peel the wheel well cover like that, and then you look in, right there. That's where the front turn signal's at. See, right there. So we're gonna get to it right now. So basically, you're just gonna here twist it. Twist the socket here counterclockwise, and pull. There you go. See? So like I told you, I had just replaced it with this LED 1157 bulb, just temporarily, and it wasn't able to stay on like a normal halogen dual filament 1157. It was only able to signal, but still it would hyper blink basically. So I just wanted to switch back to the stock 1157 dual filament bulb so it could just signal normal like it usually would. So I'm just gonna take this out. So basically just gonna push down and then twist it. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do it with one hand. There you go. So let's take it out of the socket. There you go. Now switch over to the stock halogen 1157 bulb, and I'll show you right now. All right, guys, so here is the stock 1157 dual filament bulb from Sylvania. This is the one I got. Link will be in the description. Okay, so now I'm going to take one of these bulbs out from the packaging. All right, so here's the replacement 1157. We're going to install it now, so let's get to it. All right, we're back down here. Here's the connector plug. So I'm going to try to attempt to install this right now while filming. So give me a second. Okay. Here, just going to twist it. Guys, sorry. It's hard to film while doing this beforehand. There you go. So let's push down. Let's twist it. Okay, so now I'm going to place it back. But I'm going to do a circuit test first to show you. There you go. All works. Just gotta place it back now into the slot. I can have a light in here. Here, guys. Sorry. Basically, just reverse the steps, guys, when you remove the bulb. I'm trying to film while I do this. Give me a second here so you can kind of see what I'm doing. There you go. Just feed it back into the socket. There you go. Sorry, my arm's in the way. There you go. Line it up. There you go. You see? Now you just gotta twist it clockwise to secure it. That. There you go. See? Now it's secure. And then we're gonna start the vehicle. Right, so let's start the vehicle. And then you're gonna try to signal now. So I'm gonna try to signal right here. And let's see how the signal works. There you go, so no hyper blinking. Let me go outside, show you. Okay. And as you can see, no more hyper blinking. Now that we installed the dual filament 1157 stock halogen bulb for the front turn signal for the driver's side. And then if I go to the rear, you'll experience no more hyper blinking. Again, here's the bulb, 1157. From Sylvania. Again, I'll put the link in the description. Alright guys, and that's how you change your front turn signal for 2007 Honda Civic LX sedan. This replacement video for the front turn signal should pertain to the 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic model years. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Filament. We also have other videos for the 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic, so you guys can check out the rest of the videos. All the video links will be in the description. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
and we'll see you in the next video. Peace. This video is brought to you by Davsky Air Fresheners, the industry's popular and favorite car air fresheners for enthusiasts. Exclusively available at Firm400 Pop-Up and online at firm400.com. Be sure to check out Davsky online at davsky.com and preview their new air freshener products for 2024.